When they say this life no balance, this life no balance. When they say this life no balance, this life no balance. You get some people only suffer, they suffer for this life. You get people only to enjoyment they enjoy for this life, as you can see. Some people only to enjoy and some people not to suffer. I will show you the car where this man they drive. If you see the kind car where this man they drive, where you take they make hustling. Just make it a feeding family. You no go believe him. The kind tip, is it tipper or truck where they drive? That truck safe, na complete death sentence. Every day death sentence. That especially when they drive this kind of motor can die at any time. The motor is completely scrap. Completely 100% scrap. But the man just they manage them. Just they manage them. They try making they get money through it with people they work with so that you could feed in family. After the man don't drive this kind of motor, come house. You can't get some kind noise maker where go there for the house where go them shout for them where they talk anyhow and so you go the open mouth. They shout for your head all the time. They shout for your head all the time. They don't. Most of all these people they don't know how many men survive. The things men go through. You know, you can see somebody. He may have so many wounds in his heart, but as a man, he will keep on pushing, keep on moving. Men are very, very strong. You will see them, they will keep on pushing. This man, when they drive his motor, maybe the man don't handle money. Maybe he don't even travel outside, go hustle, come back. You know, make him. Or he make him, he come back, the whole money finish just like that. He can't they pass all this they pass through all this suffering. Just be say make sure say in family they feed. Men sacrifice a lot. Men sacrifice a lot. No need of talking too much. Let me show you guys the videos so you can watch by yourself and see what I'm talking by yourself. Thank you for watching.
Ahorita. Wow, kakawat na ito ito ko. Ikaw may kami kumulko. Ini mo ini. Pura-pura. Yo, putu. Pura-pura. Woo!
Now you have watched the video. Shout out to all the hustling men who keep on climbing that mountain. No matter how hard it is, they keep on climbing the mountain. Shout out to all men, to all fathers who take care of their families without minding all those noisemakers by their side. Thanks and peace out.